Pancake cake, red velvet, is bright, tasty and beautiful. Each piece of this pancake splendor is light and airy. Thin red pancakes and delicate buttercream just melt in your mouth. Put dry products in the container first. Sifted flour, powdered sugar and cocoa powder. It is also advisable to sift them. Salt and vanilla sugar and mix everything. Now add the eggs and mix a little. Pour in milk and mix until smooth. Add vegetable oil. You can add food coloring for color. Now let's get into the cream. To do this, use a mixer to whip cold cream and powdered sugar to the peaks. Our cream with powder is whipped. Now add the curd cheese and gently mix everything until smooth. The next step is to bake pancakes. Pour the dough into a preheated pan. Turn over when the edges of the pancake will easily move away from the pan. With this amount of dough, I got 22 pancakes. Now we are collecting the future cake. Put some cream in the center of the dish and glue the first pancake. Next, cover each pancake with cream. Cover the last pancake and the sides of the cake with the remains of the cream, align and decorate the cake. The cake is ready. Enjoy your meal. Like and subscribe to the channel.